In this VDB Expo tutorial, we're going to take a look at the navigation of the app. If you're comfortable with how to move around with the app, you'll have a lot more fun using it. This is the main page that you'll log into when you enter the app. As you can see, you have navigation across the top, and you'll always be able to see that. This button will return you to this home page. By clicking Search, either up here at the top or in this pink Start Searching button, you can go straight to searching for products that are available at this expo. You can click this Exhibitors button here to see who's exhibiting at the show and search for inventory by exhibitor. At this button, you can learn more about our sponsors. We've got some great educational content available at Expo. You can find that through our Vlogs tab. If you have video chats with your exhibitors, which we encourage you to do, you'll see all of your video chat history behind this tab. And of course, you can contact us at any time. And now let's take a look at some additional navigation that's available once you're inside the searchable functions of the app. If you take a look over here at the left-hand side, you'll see some additional icons. This little home button will take you back to the same home screen we were just on. This magnifying glass will always take you back to this search screen. In this button, you can save searches that you've created. So if you're searching for certain types of goods, then you can save those searches to come back and see what's available later. In one of our other tutorials, we'll show you how to create favorites and collections. And this is the button you go to see the things that you've marked as your favorites. Behind this button, when you click this, you can see all of your request notifications. So if you've made requests with vendors and they've responded to you, all of that communication will be here. Here you can see our exhibitors. By exhibitor name, you can scroll through, or you can search for an exhibitor by name. Let's go back to that menu. Here you'll see a video chat history for all the video chats you do during the show. And when you click here, you can make this menu larger so that you can see what's behind each icon, just in case you're not sure. So that's how you navigate the VDB Expo app. You can use this left menu when you're in the search functions, or the top menu to see the other features of the Expo. Have a great time using the app, and we hope you enjoy the show.